A few weeks ago, Phil had purchased a couple of jet skis. Since then, he's been inviting all of his buddies over to come ride. This weekend, we had Ethan and Mike over. Ethan had entered a raffle for a $10,000 motorcycle tour presented by a sports shop in Green Bay, which is very close to where Phil and I live. He was one of 500 finalists. So we spent much of the weekend anticipating and dreaming about what kind of trip we could take for $10,000 while we waited for the final draw. Spoiler alert, sadly on Sunday night we found out that he didn't win. We ended up spending a ton of time on the lake, playing giant kerplunk, went to breakfast, and took a walk along the shoreline to a lighthouse in Marinette. And just like every other day, we made sure to water the garden. All in all, a perfect summer weekend. Please subscribe for more videos and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.